Okay, so hey everyone, what is up? This is Ken here. Welcome back to TechCan YouTube channel. If you're a user of Redmi Note 8 and in search of very fast, customizable MIUI OS for your device, here we have installed and tested working perfectly fine. This is what I've installed on my device, and maybe you have already guessed it. And this is based on MIUI 11, by the way. And we're talking about the MIUI Pro 11 20.3.3's 26 beta version, which is based on, of course, MIUI 11, and alongside with that it's based on Android version 9. If you don't want to install the old version, it's up to you. I'm not forcing anyone here, but yes, if you're looking to install something different, this is Android version 9, and using Android 9 in the time of Android 12 is actually quite weird. But yes, if you're looking for some super facilitated things, some custom rooms with a lot of customizations, MIUI based OS, then this might be a very good choice for you. I installed, and as you can see, it has all those list view animations. It has some extra cool customizations. If you don't know what MIUI Pro offers to you, it offers you a lot of customizations in almost all the sections, all the menus, almost everywhere. For example, if you move on to the lock screen settings, you have the option of checking out some extra things like lock screen, set lock screen shortcuts, etc. And display level, in display settings, you have the option to disable this font Milan Pro. As you can see, these are default fonts. This is not the default one from other customers. It is the China default fonts. You can also customize the screen off animation, which seems to be very good. You can customize the list view animation, which we have already applied it, working perfectly fine. As you can see, you can customize the notch and status bar settings. For example, here you have the option to customize the weather display. You can customize the notification shade. You can customize a lot of things. If you want to check out all these customizations, of course you can install this build, and you'll be able to see, you'll be able to explore some cool interesting customizations in sound and vibration. You can customize the volume bar position to left or right. Even the volume panel is also expanded automatically with this new UI. Of course, it's not same like MIUI 12 or MIUI 12.5, but MIUI 11 is actually quite good, quite fast, and quite stable. You can also customize the notification shade to MIUI or Android. Alongside with that, some extra customizations options available for you, like notification view, answer to message, unread message. So actually comes with a lot of customizations in the default launcher. You don't get that latest recent CUI, which includes the horizontal or vertical related things, but yes, this launcher also has some app drawer related options available for you. For example, I've already applied the app drawer. You can customize that, but alongside with that, you can do some other extra customization features. In home screen layout, you have more than 5 to 6 options available for you: 4x6, 5x6, 6x6, 8x6, up to maybe. These are a lot of options available for you. You can customize the icon reflection, a lot more things. In the wallpaper section, super wallpapers of course not there. Theme section is almost same, but you can customize a lot of themes. By the way, MIUI 11 had a lot of interesting good themes, so if you want to find out those themes, that would be easier for you. You can find out very easily. Also, you can try to apply MIUI 12 themes here. I'm not sure if it will work or not, but it shouldn't work. But yes, these are some interesting things you get here. I tried unlocking my device with fingerprint, face unlock, etc. Everything was working perfectly fine. I thought that after installing for a lot of time, things might not work as expectedly, but yes, the things were working perfectly fine. Didn't got any kind of issues till now. In the battery and performance section, of course, simply use it for some time, then try to charge it, and then check it out that how is the battery going on. Sorry, I was not able to test the battery backup, but it should be very fine. As you can see, the smoothness, etc. is quite good. You can customize your notification shade, etc. a lot more things. The default power menu also includes all the latest advanced options available for you. Icons have the reflections and etc. It looks quite good. So on the must iOS for you, if you're looking for some custom MIUI ROM which is very fast, screen recorder is also unlocked up to 60 fps, looks quite good. So else, I have already shown you all the things available. RAM is 2 GB out of 4 GB, and I haven't cleared anything, so looks quite good. Link for this build is in the description. The link for custom cover is also in the description, which is needed to install. This is all. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating
yeah.